Let's find the area of this shaded region. The shaded region is a triangle. The base of the triangle is 5 yards, and the height is 3 inches. Note that the figure is not drawn in perfect proportion. We're asked to give the answer in square feet. We'll start by recalling the formula for the area of a triangle. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. In order to calculate the area of a figure, we must have all the units the same. Here we have the base in yards and the height in inches. Now we could convert inches to yards or yards to inches, but we're asked to give the answer in square feet. So what we'll do is we'll convert both inches to feet and yards to feet, and then when we get done with our calculation, our answer will be in square feet. So let's start. 3 inches is 3 inches times 1 foot over 12 inches. Since 1 foot equals 12 inches, this is 1. So I can write this as 3 over 12 times inches over inches times 1 foot, or inches over inches is 1, 3/12 is 1/4. This is 1/4 of a foot. Now 5 yards is 5 times 1 yard, which is 5 times 3 feet, just substituting 3 feet for 1 yard, or 15 feet. So now we have a base of 15 feet and a height of 1/4 foot. So we can find the area is 1/2 times the base times the height. And when we multiply, we have 1/2 times 15 times 1/4, which we can write as 15 over 2 times 4. Feet times feet, we can write as square feet. And multiplying the 2 times 4, we have 15/8 square feet. Or we might want to write that as 1.875 square feet. And since our answer is given in square feet, we're finished with the problem.